Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see on the title, today's video is going to be an unboxing from Fashionphiles. I hope you guys enjoy. But before we get started, I want to show you guys my new contacts that were sent to me by Iris Beauty. If you guys are not familiar with them, they make contact lens, and as you can see right now, I'm not wearing anything. I wanted to show you guys the difference. They were so kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys. They sent me actually two pairs, which is Polar Gray and I believe Powder Brown, which I'm going to try on for you guys. I just want to show you real quick how it looks. This is how they come in a little black box, and that's how the contacts looks. I need to purchase a solution from Amazon. That way I have it because I'm not very familiar with eye contacts. Actually, Rosa was wearing these pair on Halloween. She loved them. She told me how comfortable they were. In case you don't know who Rosa is, she is my 11-year-old daughter, and she loved them. She was honestly, everyone was just head over heels over her eyes at school. She took them to school, and she was also wearing a really nice wig. If I have a picture, I'll add it right here so that you guys can see how she looks. You open them, they have plenty of solution, and then you just place them in the little container, which is right here. I'm actually gonna put them on right now. I'm gonna open them and put them on for this video. Hopefully you guys like it. Honestly, it's been forever since I last wore eye contacts, like color ones. Well, actually I don't even need glasses, but just contacts in general. I think the last time I wore them, I was like 10 or... No, I was actually 14. They were honey, but my eye looked kind of weird, so I don't know, I stopped wearing them. But I decided to give them a try, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, and you let me know in the comments down below if you like them. I'm gonna wear them throughout the video, and I'll tell you the comfort and all that stuff. Alright ladies, and I'm back. This is Powder Brown. I don't know if you guys noticed the difference in my eyes. It was a little challenging to put them on at first. I did struggle with this eye, but not this one. This one is perfect. Like, I can't even feel it. But this one, I don't know. It's been a long time since like I said, it's been what? 30, it's been like over 15 years since I tried putting on something like this. So, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Thank you so much to Iris Beauty for sending these two beautiful pairs. If you guys are not familiar with Fashionphiles, they do sell pre-love luxury handbags, clothing, jewelry, shoes, and most of their stuff, I want to say, for the shoes, they are new. Like, the soles are not used whatsoever. I think they rate from new to excellent to very good. When I'm looking at items at Fashionphiles, I always make sure that it's in excellent condition. That will literally guarantee me that the item is going to be like new. And this handbag that I have right here, when I purchased it, it was in excellent condition, so I know it's going to be like new. So let me show you guys how it looks. So when you purchase anything from Fashionphiles, and also one thing I wanted to mention, this is my second purchase from Fashionphiles. The first one is actually going to go live in December. December 25th, I want to say, because that's my Christmas present, and I decided not to open it until then. So this is how the box looks, and it says Fashionphiles, and it comes with your receipt. And also, the policy for Fashionphiles is 30 days after you purchase. You can always return it and get your money back as long as the tags are attached. And I explained this on the other video that I will be posting in December 25th. But this is how it looks like. Thank you. The packaging is super cute. They have confetti and everything, which I just think is such a girly touch and exciting. It feels like Christmas whenever you get something from Fashionphiles, for sure. An update on the eyes. I don't feel like I have anything anymore. It literally feels normal. Okay, so I'm happy for that. So thank you, Iris, for sending my eye contacts. So this is how the bag looks like, and again, you guys, this is a bag. I don't think I mentioned that. And they also send you a little nail filer that says Fashionphiles. And look at all that confetti. Super duper cute. Alright, so now let's get into the bag. When I first saw this bag, I fell in love with it. But I'm contemplating on just sending it back, and I will explain to you guys why. So here we have it. And I'm actually just going to slide it to the side. And you get a dust bag that says Fashionphiles on every purchase. It doesn't matter if the bag comes with its own box and dust bag, you will still get a bag that says Fashionphiles, which is super cool. This is the bag that I purchased from Fashionphiles, and here you have it. Honestly, I have never seen a bag like this before. Ta-da! It is from Valentino, and it has a bunch of rug studs, which I'll do a close-up so you can see. And the condition that this bag said in the description, it was excellent. And it literally looks like new. Like there is no shown or no visible signs of any wear at all whatsoever. It did come with a dust bag. It said it on the description, which is the Valentino dust bag, as you can see. So I can always store it there. And of course the tag. Let's talk about the tag. Alright ladies, so this tag right here is very, very important. So for example, if you decide not to keep the bag, just make sure the tag is attached. It says it right there. Remove the tag on the bag. So once you remove the tag, you can no longer return the bag. This is how the inside of the bag looks. It's just one big compartment, a zipper, and a little zipper right here, which is pretty convenient, I think. I don't know about this string. And you can wear it like this, or also I can wear it crossbody, which the reason why I purchased it was because I wanted to do, this is how it looks like when I wear it crossbody. But I'm having mixed emotions about the bag. And the reason why I say that is because it feels kind of heavy without having anything in there. But I'm thinking once I start adding stuff in, it's probably going to get heavier. And as a mommy right now, I don't need a bag that is heavy. I actually need something that is more practical. But the bag is beautiful. So that's the only reason why I'm thinking of sending it back. And as you can see on the back, it has a little logo in gold. I don't believe I own any bags this color. So that's the reason why I was like, you know, it's something different. It's such a classy bag if you ask me. And like I said, you can wear it without the strap, without the crossbody strap, and just the handle. That's a great option as well. So I'm on the fence right now if I should keep it or return it. The retail price for this bag, it is $2,800. But of course I didn't pay that much. And if you guys are interested, I will leave a link down below for Fashionphiles for this bag. What I love about Fashionphiles is that you literally get items for such a huge discount. And they are pre-loved, but like I said, I recommend you guys to look for the excellent condition. And there's a section right there which I mentioned on the other video, but you guys won't see it until December. There is a section of the website where it shows you the items that have gone down 10%, 20%, and even 30%. And let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the bag? I love the color because I can use it year-round. In my opinion, Valentino makes one of the most beautiful bags. Also Chanel, of course, but Chanel is like super expensive. It's out of my budget, definitely out of my budget. But Valentino is a little bit more affordable and it's still high-end, and the quality is amazing. This is all pebble leather, I want to say, and the color for this is, ooh, it doesn't say the color, but it's a, yeah, pebble leather. It's just so beautiful, you guys. I'm having such a hard time. Let me know in the comments down below, how do you like the bag? Of course, at the end of the day, it's what I think of the bag and how I feel, but I just want to know you guys' opinion on the bag. I just think it's really pretty. And like I said, I might keep it, but I'm on the fence. And it's because of the weight of the bag. It's a little bit heavy. And right now, like I said, a heavy bag is not suiting my lifestyle. If you guys can see that one back there, the Pochette Métis, I use it every single day. I've been using it since after my birthday. I want to say June, July. That's when I started using it like constantly. Right now it's November. So it's been already a couple of months and I have not switched back. Let me just do a close-up so you can see. Yeah, Valentino is definitely my designer. And of course I have a bunch of Valentino dupes that I can always wear this with. I will have a list down below of bags that I love from Fashionphile, so if you guys are interested, check out the description box, as well as the pochette tees. The pochette tees, I have seen them, they're excellent conditions. Some can be a little bit more expensive than at the store, but I mentioned to you guys before, this is a hard bag to get from Louis Vuitton. So if you cannot get your hands on a bag from the boutique, definitely check out Fashionphiles. You will not be disappointed. Like I said, this bag looks like new. Literally like new. I just love it. Look, you guys, let me just do another close-up for you. Such a pretty bag. And the strap, look at that. So, so pretty. Crossbody or with the handle. I don't know, you guys. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I will keep you updated. I still wanted to show you guys the bag and give you guys the information, because a lot of people don't know that you can get luxury items without having to, or you can purchase luxury items without having to pay the full price. And this right here was a major scored. I believe the price for this bag, like I said, it's close to $3,000, $2,800, but I paid under $1,000. So it was, to me, it was a steal. I know some of you might disagree and say, oh my god, that's a lot of money. But honestly, to me, it's such a great deal. And another thing about Fashionphiles too, that you can put the bag on layaway for 2 months. So they give you 2 months to pay it off. That's what I did with this bag. That way, if you see a bag but you cannot afford it at the time, or you think it's a little too much, but you really want a bag, like a really nice quality bag, then you can definitely put it on layaway. I think you have to put, I want to say it's 25% down, I think it's 25% down that you have to put at first to put it on layaway or reserve, and then later on you have 60 days to pay it off. Happy I did that. It's a lot easier than just having to drop $1,000 just like that in one day. So it gave me a little bit of time to save and buy the bag. But yes, you guys, I love the bag, but I don't know if I'll keep it. So therefore, I'm not going to cut the tag. I do want to mention you guys about designer handbags. I mean, they can be a bit expensive, but keep in mind, this is something that's going to last you so many years because of the quality, the materials. And sometimes I think to myself, oh my god, buying all these cheap bags that are like $20, I could easily be saving for a really nice bag that is going to last me a long time. So that is how I see designer handbags. I mean, I know some people won't understand that, but that's how I see it. And also, ladies, it doesn't have to be a designer handbag. It can be a very nice leather handbag that is not name brand, and it can be really good. But of course, it's going to cost you a couple hundreds. Good idea. It's something that I don't own, and it's a mommy friendly bag. But like I said, it's a bit too heavy, and I'm on my 5th child, you guys. I need something practical. Crossbody and what else? Crossbody and light. Yes. You know my Antigona right now? When I purchased my Antigona, I only had Leo. So I only had one little baby. I wasn't running around like crazy. My Antigona is so heavy right now. The other day I went to the store with Diego and I had it on with me, and I was like, oh my god, this is so uncomfortable. It's not suiting my lifestyle anymore. I'm not gonna get rid of that bag because I love that bag. That was my first ever designer handbag. I bought it in Vegas. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. I've seen so many Antigonas on Fashionphiles for like $1,000 less than what I pay for. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the design? Have you shopped at Fashionphiles? Let me know your experience with them. Like I said, this is my 2nd bag, and honestly, I cannot wait for you guys to see the bag that I got for December. I actually purchased it on June, July, and I got it a couple months ago. I did the video, the unboxing and everything. I said to myself, I'm gonna gift myself that bag for Christmas. So I'm staying faithful, I'm staying focused. I'm not gonna open the bag until Christmas. I'm really good, you guys. I'm really good. You guys know how much I waited for this bag? 6 months. Literally, I purchased it in January of last year, and January of this year, and then I opened it in June. So 6 months the bag was just sitting there. I can do it. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below how do you like the bag, and like I said, if you have purchased anything from Fashionphiles, and if you haven't, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you guys learned something new or if you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out the description box so that you can see some of the bags that I love and I'm lusting over. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!